Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Rockbottom Fishing. Today we're gonna kinda change up the pace a little bit, and we are gonna be doing just some perch fishing. Just cause it's cold and I don't really feel like bass fishing today. Just and our bait is gonna be some pepperoni. Shout out to Hormel. Hormel? I think that's how you say it, maybe? I don't know. These are the original pepperonis. That's what we're going to be using for bait today. If I can get it open. Okay, there we go. Set out just some normal little pepperonis. And our, let's see, what do we got going here? Okay, that goes over this way. Kind of tangled up here, just a tad bit. So our setup that we have for today. First, we'll start with we got a little 2-bobber jobber thingy. A little bell weight, because that's like the only weight I could find. And then a tiny hook. And then the rod and reel. We've got a tiny light. It's by, ooh, that's a hair. It's a tiny light by Bass. It's just a Bass Pro Shop tiny light on a Shakespeare Micro Series. This rod is a 4-foot 6-inch action moderate. It's a moderate. No, it's an ultra light. Wow. So we're gonna be fishing with some short rod. We're just gonna be doing a little perch fishing today. That's all. Just a little change of pace. Tear off a little piece of pepperoni. And we're gonna hook it like this, then like this. Oh, that came unhooked. And then we're gonna curve it back around like that. And maybe like that again. See what we got going on here. We've got it with 6-pound fluorocarbon. That's really fine. Let's see if we can get us a perch to bite. Oh, we're getting some bites. Oh man, I missed him. I don't really know how you're supposed to set the hook on perch. Oh, we're getting a bite. We're getting a bite. Oh, come on. Okay. We are back rigged up with another pepperoni. Oh, turn that around, cast it right in there. Where I was getting my first bite at. Oh, oh, oh. He's swimming away with that one. But didn't let go of it. They stole my bait. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, little fish. Getting a bite. Oh, oh, ooh, ooh. Take it. Take it. Okay. Okay, come on. He's nibbling at it. He's nibbling at it. Oh, I got him! Hey, there you, oh man, he swallowed my hook. Man, he swallowed my hook. That's pretty good. That's pretty good one. Decent. He's actually pretty good size. Oh man, I broke my line. And I don't even have any hooks or anything. There's that fish. You little turd. So I guess I'm gonna run back to the house and get some more hooks. Cause the little stupid fish stole it. Oh my god, that makes me mad. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so we are back. I ran back to the house, tied another hook on. We are back fishing again. That's another one. Bam! 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 There's another bluegill. Bite it, fish, bite it. Wait a bug. Wow, I thought I had me a fish, and I thought it was a good straight toad. And then I get this stupid branch. Oh, I hope you liked today's video. It was kind of a little change of pace. Going from bass to perch. It's just the bass aren't really biting right now. And next video to be uploaded is going to be me and the Googans again. That was in my, I think it was 4th video. I'll link it below. Go check it out. And it's going to be all of us, maybe a few more people, minus one person since he can't make it today. But or it's going to be Saturday that we're going to be fishing. And but be looking for that video and be ready for it, because it's going to be a good one. And thanks for watching. Yeah. So see you Saturday. Bye.